Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and if you're returning, then welcome back. As you saw in the thumbnail, we are doing a hair video today. I did a poll on my Instagram and a lot of people were requesting hair videos, so I got a good one for y'all today. We are going from a silk press to a curly hairstyle using just one product and some Flexi rods. So as you can see, I'm just brushing through my hair, showing y'all this is about, I want to say maybe a week and a half old silk press. I usually do a middle part, but this day I just wanted to switch it up a little bit. So you'll see me part my hair off to a side part. I just wanted to do that now so that I didn't have to worry about it at the end. Now y'all know I'm a mother and my kids just had to make an interest in this video, make their presence known. But I just want y'all to hear his little voice, so I kept this in here. Just be so extra sometimes. No, I need the light. What? And you need to go night-night. But yes, y'all, my daughter will be making her presence known as well in a few minutes in this video. But yeah, you'll also see me talking and making certain faces during this video because I was on the phone with my mom and sister, and y'all know how it is when you talk to your mama and your sister. You just be laughing and joking and have a good old time. So here I'm just parting off my hair so that I can start putting the Flexi rods on. This is the one product that I'm using, the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foam and Mousse. Love this stuff. Here I am acting silly. But yes, I love this stuff. That's really all you need for this style, y'all. I'm telling you. And you watch that I am lathering that on my hair, making sure that it's coated. That whole section should be wet. If it's not wet, your curls are not going to come out right. Now I'm going to be wrapping the Flexi rod. I'm starting at the end and you're just going to work your way up. I really tried to stretch it to make sure that I was getting all of my hair in, making sure that every piece was curled. Here comes daughter entering in, making her presence known as well. She was just telling me goodnight. But yes, so I'm going to continue to wrap, and then you want to hook it just like how you see it in the video. I don't know how to explain it that well, but you're just gonna kind of bend it to close it off. So I'm just going to repeat that same technique all throughout my hair. Just some tips that I would want to give y'all about this is, one, like I said, make sure that it is completely covered in the product. And I wasn't going the same direction each time, so you'll see me switching my hands around and trying to make it fit. But I kind of like the way that it looked. It didn't look so uniform with whether you're curling away from your face or towards your face. So do whatever you feel is best for you, or whichever way you're more comfortable rolling. It'll come out beautiful either way. I also had different color Flexi rods. I like to put the purple ones in the back just because they're a little bit bigger than the other colors, and I like my hair to be kind of full in the back, and then I like the front of my hair to be a lot more defined. So that's why you'll see towards the end when I'm working in the front, I'll be using the red Flexi rods because they're a little bit smaller. So you really want to make sure that the ends of your hair strands are tucked in, because that is going to be key to your ends being defined and the curl just really forming and looking super cute. So as I'm wrapping up this last Flexi rod, you'll see what my hair looks like. And I I just went immediately under the dryer because I had somewhere to be the next day, and this is the next morning. So I sat under the dryer for about 2 hours maybe, and then I went to bed. I wanted to be sure that it was completely dry because, like I said, I had somewhere to be. I didn't have time to, want to fix it up and everything. I wanted it to be ready when I woke up in the morning. So now you watch me take these down, and I was kind of struggling with this. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to take it down like really uniform and make the curls stay in place, but they just weren't staying in place. And when I took this down, I got a little nervous. You'll see me trying to check it and see, because it kind of, I was a little nervous the way it came down. I was hoping I wasn't gonna look like, Shirley Temple or something. But it gets better, y'all. Just trust the process. Just trust the process. By this point, I was still nervous, y'all, because I was like, this does not look very promising. But I promise y'all, it really came out super cute, and it was so easy to do. I am really going to try to do more Flexi rod sets because it was so easy, so simple. Now, you'll notice that I didn't show you guys the bottle of oil that I'm using. That's because you might recognize that bottle, but the oil that's inside that bottle is not the original oil. So I didn't want to show you guys that, and then y'all go get it, and that's not what I used. So but just get your favorite oil, whatever oil that you prefer, and you're gonna separate the curls just like you see me doing. I'm just kind of grabbing pieces off and curling them with my fingers, curling them around my fingers to just separate the curls. And when I tell y'all, this part is the most important step, because that is how you're gonna get the volume that you want. That's how you're gonna keep the curls defined and everything. But this is why I'm telling y'all to trust the process, because if you don't do this part, you're gonna be looking how I was looking at first. But look at that. Oh my goodness, I had to put that in real time because those curls really were popping, and that's how they're gonna look through my whole head, all over. Like, I love this Flexi rod set. I could really ramble on and on because I'm rambling at this point, but it was just so pretty. It was so pretty, y'all, and I love this. I prefer this more than like a twist out or something. Like, I love a twist out and a wash and go, but the way these curls looked, oh my goodness, I was in love. To separate the curls, you can use as big of a piece or as small of a piece as you want. If you see a curl that's maybe too big, you can always go back in and, make it smaller, split it in half, and make it to your liking. I also feel like my new hair color really just set these curls off. Like, it was so pretty to me. Y'all, I just love this look so much. I will definitely be doing these more often. Yes, here is the finished product, y'all. Look at those curls. Look at the volume. Look at how they move. So right here, I'm just laying my edges. I ended up doing the rest off camera because I was kind of struggling trying to look at y'all, but I needed to look in the mirror. But I just brushed them to the side, as you can see. But do y'all like this? Are y'all feeling this? Or am I tripping? Like, this looks so good. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be trying this hairstyle. I want the girls, you know, to have flourishing curls. And you can always, you don't have to have a silk press. You can blow your hair out and do it on blow dried hair. I'm really obsessed with how this came out, and I love it so much. Let me know if y'all be trying it, and thank y'all for tuning in. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Higher, higher, fly about the valley in the fire.